Hi, welcome back to Mobile Apps. This video is all about images. React Native images are reserved for file types ending in .png, .jpg, .jpeg, .gif, .bmp, or .svg. However, you can expect to use .png, .jpg, .jpeg, and .gif the most. Here's a code snippet with an image of Carol the dog. Let's break this down. First, we need to double check to make sure that this is an image type that React Native supports. This image ends in .png, so we know it's safe to use. When adding an image component, there will be some default values. You will notice a source and a style. The source refers to the Uniform Resource Indicator. The Uniform Resource Indicator, or URI, is made up of a location, a URL, and a name, URN. You can think of a URI as a URL you are used to using for images in web design. The default style includes a height and a width. These values can be edited and changed, or they can be refactored down to the style sheet object below. If a height or width is missing, the image will not display, as it will assume the value is 0. Lastly, the image component tag must be closed with a / and closing bracket. Time to add an image to our app. Let's grab an image component from the Components tab. Our image component has a default image URL, which is obviously a cat GIF. A few things to note for the default image component. The image has a style attribute of height at 140 pixels and width at 200 pixels. The image has a closed tag syntax represented by a /. When we run this code, we can expect the image to be centered along the horizontal and vertical axis because our parent view container has justify content and align items set to center. Let's update the image URI to be a Carol badge. When the app runs, the Carol badge is slightly cut off because the Carol badge has a 1:1 aspect ratio, meaning it is a perfect square with the same height and width. Let's update the height in the style tags to have a height of 200 and a width of 200 to make sure the entire image is visible. Now the image is perfectly set to the center without getting cut off.